Actually, sa school break, wala tayong problema. Hindi naman siya nabawasan, no? Ang ginawa lang natin, we adjusted the current school calendar. So we will now be ending by May 31. Yun yung last day natin ng school calendar for this school year. Tapos noon, ang school break ay magsisimula from June 1.
Up to?
Until June 28 actually. Kasi yung first day of classes natin, July 28, sorry. Kasi ang first day of classes natin would be July 29, 2024. This is for the next school year. So, hindi naman, ang ginawa kasi natin, nung unang-una, iniisip natin paano kung mas bilisan natin yung pag-shift, no? But, mako-compromise kasi yung school days ng ating mga learners. At mahihirapan din yung ating mga teachers na maituro lahat ng competencies. So, as you can see, magiging gradual yung shift ng ating school calendar, no? Back to the usual April-May break. So, ngayon, ang ginawa po natin ay mag-i-end tayo ng May 31, pero mag-start pa rin tayo around July 29. And then slowly, i-move natin siya back until bumalik tayo dun sa normal na April-May break na po.
So yung school days, sir, ang nabawasan?
Sa ngayon, hindi ganun kadami yung nabawasan sa school days natin. If I'm not mistaken, around 7 to 8 days lang yung nabawas for this school year. Hindi kasi talaga natin pwedeng bawasan kaagad yon dahil nga, hindi naman matututunan lahat ng bata ng lahat ng mga learning competencies na kailangan nila. That's why, magiging gradual yung shift.
Sir, pag nakita naman natin yung dates, parang ang laki ng nabawas kasi parang nag-move back kayo ng isang buwan, parang gano'n.
Opo,
7
parang,
days lang pala yung
parang gano'n. But actually, nung binilang namin, 179 school days pa rin tayo this year. So, hindi gano'n kagrabe yung nawala po. No? Because,
Sir, kung phase implementation siya, by what school year tayo totally maka-move back?
well, ang tinitingnan natin around 2026, 2027, April na yung last day of class. Early April na April 2. So medyo nandun na tayo. But if you want to go to March, I think it will be more school year 27-28. But of course, as you know, tayo naman, no, every year, we look at the adjustments that we can make with the school calendar. Tinitingnan natin. But sa ngayon, sa projection natin, we will end school year 2026-2027 ng first few days of April. So medyo nandun na tayo sa April-May break. Oo.
Pero finally, bakit nag-decide na ang DepEd na, di ba dati sinasabi
Opo.
lagi consultation lang
Tama.
kayo, pero ngayon may DO na kayo. Anong naging turning point para mag-decide?
Talagang yun ang gusto ng ating mga kababayan, no? As you know, may survey na lumabas kamakailan showing that really a majority of Filipinos want to go back to the April-May. Nung nakuha natin yung survey na yon, minarapat din natin na magkaroon talaga tayo ng consultations with the relevant national organizations, no? Yung mga stakeholders natin, kasama na dyan yung ating mga teachers unions, at ating mga student organizations. Pagkatapos nun, we also went to the field, no? Talagang nagkaroon tayo ng consultation sa field at lahat sila generally everyone wants to go back to April-May. Meron din tayong study from the PNU that says the same thing. So because ito yung talagang gusto ng tao, nag-decide na tayo that we should go back, but we have to do it gradually para hindi maapektuhan naman. Dahil learning recovery mode po talaga tayo ngayon.